Good evening, ABR Market Watch viewers. Let's take a look back at today's market events. Two major stories dominated the headlines: proposals for significant increases in consumer taxes on luxury electric cars and anticipation for this week's GST Council meeting. The auto sector took a hit as the Nifty Auto Index seeing SATO dropped up to 0.5%. The proposed hike in goods and services tax (GST) rate from 5% to 18% on EVs priced between 2 and 4 million rupees affected companies like Mahindra and Mahindra, which aims to have electric variants account for 20–30% of its SUV sales by 2027. This resulted in M&M seeing a drop of 2.5%, making it one of the biggest losers on the auto index today. However, despite this setback, the Nifty Auto Index is still up 12% so far in 2025 compared to a 4% rise in the Nifty 50 index. This tax proposal could potentially impact the growth trajectory of the electric vehicle sector in India. Meanwhile, Indian equity benchmarks closed lower due to a pullback in heavyweight financials, offsetting a broad-based rally driven by expiry-driven unwinding and anticipation for this week's GST Council meeting. The Nifty 50 dropped 0.18%, while the Sensex slid 0.26%. Despite the slide in financials, consumer stocks like Nestle India, Hindustan Unilever, Dabur India, Emami, and Reliance Industries saw gains due to potential GST cuts on about 175 items including shampoos, hybrid cars, and consumer electronics. The broader markets outperformed, with small caps and mid caps advancing 0.5% and 0.3%, respectively. Investor sentiment remains divided between the looming 50% US tariff and optimism over upcoming GST reforms. This week's GST Council meeting will be closely watched for any announcements on tax cuts or changes in tax rates. As we wait for this key event, the Indian rupee rose 0.05% against the US dollar due to importer demand, while government bonds showed little change as traders await clarification on New Delhi's fiscal stance. Lastly, a quick reminder, there's currently a crypto boom sale offering up to 80% off, with the offer set to expire soon. Stay tuned for more market updates and insights from ABR Market Watch. Good night and happy investing.